Hey everybody, it's Dr. O, and I wanted to give you guys a very brief introduction to how to use Screencast-o-matic to add narration to your slide presentations. It's really easy. It's actually a little fun, and it's free. So I'll walk you through it because sometimes it's easier to see it. So the first thing you would do is go to www.screencast-o-matic.com in your browser. Now that'll take you to this screen, and what you would want to do is go to the sign up, it's free spot, and go ahead and click on that. It's very easy to sign up. You put your email in. You can sign in with Google if you want. And then they'll ask you for a password. They want to verify your email. And it takes about a minute and a half to do the whole thing. And then they'll let you log in and get started. Once you're in, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. It won't look like this the first time because this is all different videos that I've created. But the important thing is up in the corner, you'll see this movie camera right up here. And that's what you would use to start processing your video. So you would have your presentation on the screen, and then when you click that, this record box will come up. You can check and make sure that your settings are correct. Now you'll notice in what I have circled here, this little area, the only thing that's going to be captured on this screencast is the black and white, inside the black and white box. But have no fear. If you pull these little handles outward, you can make it as large as you want it or as small as you want it, depending on what you're doing. All right. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is press record. You can see here that I've moved the box out. Actually, you're watching the box out. Okay. Press record, and you'll get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. You can click through your presentation and speak over each individual slide. And then when you're finished, you tell it to stop, and you can have your choice to either save, upload, share it, if you want to just send a link out, but that doesn't work all the time for me, or edit. Now I think this edit might be because I have a premium subscription. I use this all the time, so you may not have an edit. Don't panic. Okay. If you really hate it, you can go down here and click on trash and start again. But let's say you're happy with it and you're going to hit save, upload. It's going to give you two choices. You can either save it as a video file, or you can upload it to Screencast-o-matic. To submit it on Blackboard, you would need to save it as a video file. But I'll be honest, I also I do both. I upload to Screencast-o-matic, so there's a nice clean copy waiting for me on that website we started at. And pretty much that's all there is to it. Screencast-o-matic, easy, free, and effective. I hope you have fun with it, and I'm looking forward to seeing your presentations. Thanks.